This shit ain't even music, stupid trash but crude. See, I'm a rapper with no Dolce or no Gucci. I'm hopeless, broken, useless. I'll be making you sick, puking while I do this. Everything I say is pure bullshit. My flow is so embarrassing, sound like I'm unraveling. Rapping with no arrogance, like a pack a bag without traveling. I don't do no gang banging, and I don't take no Xanax. And I stick to what I stand for, cause I'm loyal to my standards. I can pick my own battles, I'm faking no scandals, but it really doesn't matter. I don't even have no fan club, cause I'm no fan of scams or propaganda. And acting like I am smart when I ain't got no answers. Saying I ain't got no bad art, I'll never be a rap star. My genre name is whack art, rapping crappy ever after everything that I have put in, all energy spent on mistakes and mistakes. Yeah. Over the years I've been trying, writing that realness, no lying. Blood, sweat and tears I've been crying, but who cares? Rubber shit no one's buying. I ain't trying to fit in and rhyme. I ain't gotta wait behind that way. I go